tôi lại cái thấy đủ đắn hết nào vợ về liền chụp đi hiện gì mà lại cái tôi là I can't find a husband to marry. Hello, today we are going to have black soya sauce with duck egg. And here we got some chili. We are going to black this. Gaga no me ve tigo chang tigo malsahi very ganoms. Kung cho hoy lo le ga chang chang pang tun tun mai. Okay, 3 will be enough for today. Okay, this is it after opening. This is our duck egg and this is our ramens and the sauce. Let's start frying the duck egg. I already add the oil and then adding the duck egg and adding some salt and then close the lid. After 2-3 minutes, that's it. Very easy and very yummy. And now I'm just adding the ramen into a hot water. And let's get ready for the eating part. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Now onward, I'm gonna say our channel, okay? Today gari tamdan hansa long khoi het na lay lo. That's why I cannot do mukbang, you know.
Oh no.
Anyway, welcome back, and today we're going to have black beans. Black beans le a sauce ka sonai po mo. This the seasoning and the sauce. This is it. 안녕하세요. Korean instant noodle. Amin chile entail. Tiomsia JJAJANG ramen. JJAJANG. It's not a good word in our local dialect. Why they are using this JJAJANG? Anyway, this is a black beans. Since 1981, we are going to try this, okay? That fly again. Most luto bet di ko lam tumutam kaya po. Anyway, with the best. Okay, this is our sauce ita. Okay. This is what duck egg. Jia soup. The clear water, cucumber, tomato, lime, okra, cauliflower, mochi. It's cabbage and lettuce leaf, and then green chili and salt. Before eating, let's pray, okay?
Oh no!
Amen, 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 amen. Let's start digging. Where is it? Ahong ko. Ahong na le so thawa. Yeah. Taka sundu din katilaw pi. Here. Uy, tam thôi. This is going to be a nice one, I guess. Ji apiket si convenient Churchampur Lamka la mulema. If you stay in Lamka, I get it from opposite SBI convenience store. You can check it. Wait, let me talk hell. Mix it, okay? Yes, this is it, guys. Sale pa ngayon. Seasoning la. This is the seasoning. Ito tayo. First, let me take this. Not bad. Gargin kang matamde. Let's dig in. Asale talo kalamut. Good. Really good. Đi cho luôn. So good. Ako to ginti gari, ginti pa pare. Kanya lalut hello.
Oh no!
It's so good. Nga vẹt không thua. Ako to game no pepe hard nya kin ulit. Nasay mo. Mencalo delta. Fatame. There are lots of meat. Thì đến dẹp phải để bố lâm tôi là làm tôi mò đều đều cái lung tung. Ya, tempura. tu lai ka thei du dan hi now very leng chu phadi hi ji mala ka tu la I can't find a husband to marry. Kobi ka duwang akong dulo. Gam tết nghe thấy mong sweet bằng cái đúng ấy rồi. This is also sweet, a little bit sweet for me. Kalau ta sẽ lấy thật sự dying hay cái này đã ta hết và ta ta I'm not gonna eat this. If I eat all done hot talo ka lang po yun din. So I just keep it here. The name itself say this is going to be tasty, so so it's yummy. You can get it too, guys. If you want it, go and buy it yourself. Okay, we are going to end it here. Thanks for supporting me, even though I'm nothing. You keep on supporting. Sorry. You keep on supporting me, so I'm really thankful to you. Keep supporting, and I'm going to do my best. Auto te de bang tu hot gar ko khet sit pi bang. Okay, let's end it here, and thanks for watching and keep supporting. And if you like it, please comment down below. Okay, next mukbang here I might do ting tang mian bò mai thế. Okay, cho video lại mukbang ada lagi cho. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Alu le pa ngay. Tu sa alu ka ne kha. Soy pakat le khero ne chai de.